Cloud collaboration. What is cloud collaboration? Cloud collaboration is team collaboration method where colleagues can work together on documents housed in the cloud, with everyone able to access the same file and edit them in real time. Team members can view and edit the documents at any time from any location, including when they are working simultaneously. Edits are visible to all team members as they are made, and changes are saved and synced so that every user sees the same version of the project. Cloud collaboration eliminates the confusion caused by having multiple versions of the same documents or the trials of attempting to merge resulting files. The rapid growth of cloud computing service and collaboration technologies has obvious benefits for remote and hybrid workforce. It enables teams to work together and achieve their shared goals without being together physically in the workplace. 86% of respondents in recent survey believed that lack of collaboration had caused the failure of projects which they had worked. That's why more and more companies are turning to collaboration service, with the global enterprise collaboration market expected to reach 48.1 billion by 2024. Below we'll take a look at some more of the benefits of using cloud collaboration. Benefits of cloud collaboration. Cloud collaboration helps to build a sense of community through teamwork, increases productivity and stimulates creativity. Using the method makes it easy to make the transition to a remote workforce. That's thanks to the associate benefits of reducing company overheads, minimizing the environmental impact of community, and improving employees' work-life balance.